Kungpao chicken is a Sichuan dish, popular in China and abroad. Legend has it that it was created by the incorruptible Qing dynasty official Ding Baojin, who was accorded the posthumous rank of Taizi Taibao. To honor his memory, this dish became known as Kungpao chicken. In Chinese custom, chickens are an auspicious symbol. Paired with peanuts, a family symbol of prosperity and longevity, Kungpao chicken symbolizes abundant offspring and a long and prosperous life. Consisting of glistening red pieces of chicken, this popular dish is commonly present during reunion dinners, especially in Sichuan. Kungpao chicken has also been introduced to the West. Much like how Easterners view spaghetti, to Westerners, Kungpao chicken is an iconic and beloved Chinese dish. Place fresh chicken breast on a chopping board. Use the spine of the knife to pat loosely and chop into 1.5 centimeter pieces. Season with 2 grams of Huaiyang cooking wine and 2 grams of salt. Wrap with 10 grams of wet starch. Heat the wok, adding cooking oil, and then add Sichuan peppercorns. After the dried chilies have been stir-fried to a light brown red, add chicken and stir-fry until the pieces no longer stick together. Add chili powder to enhance fragrance and color. Add the previously prepared minced Chinese onion, ginger, and garlic and continue to stir-fry. Add crispy peanuts after the gravy thickens. Mix evenly and serve. Kungpao chicken is a sweet and sour dish that is fragrant and delicate, and paired with a thick and savory gravy. It has become one of the most popular dishes in the world.